Hello everyone, my name is Mason White and I'm a senior at McDaniel College. I'm a computer science major, and this summer I worked with Dr. Lin on the 2019 Windows Server. We came up with a little project for the Windows 2019 server that's going to be looking over user login and logout. So as you see here, we have this really big and complicated spreadsheet. You don't have to worry about all the numbers and the words, and I'll just break it down, make it a little bit easier, show you the points that you should be focusing on. So what was my motivation for this? Well, I was really interested in the operating systems class that I took here at McDaniel with Mr. Tyler. And so when I heard that we had a server, I just wanted to hop all over it. I just wanted to start working on it, figure out what I can do, what I can learn. And I've learned so much this summer. I've applied those skills that I learned in my operating systems class and just saw myself grow into a pretty flower with this 2019 Windows Server stuff. So what I decided to do this summer was log user login and logout activity and how many hours there is. So as you see on this spreadsheet, there's a bunch of things here. You don't have to worry about every single header, but some important ones here. It's sorted by user, but it shows the login and logout activity for each and every user. The only problem with this login and logout activity that it's not like every time they leave the computer it logs out. So these things can run for a while. So this was ran in July, and this is the amount of time spent online. As you can see, it is a lot. So I have 600 hours here. This person has 500 hours. That's a lot of hours to be logged into something. So it's like we step away or we close it, but we don't log out, and it still runs. And that was a design problem. So something I came up with was this user info manipulation tab here. So this was my solution. I have a script that runs every 15 minutes through the task scheduler in PowerShell. It runs every 15 minutes, and when it runs, it looks to see who is active on the server. So who's moving, who's doing things. It'll report back to me that they are active. Every time that they are active, I'm going to give them like a +1. We'll just imagine like a tally mark almost. And every tally mark they get a reward of 15 minutes. So when I ran this in July, I ran it once, and these are the two people that are on. As you can see, we have 15 minutes here logged in. That was our tally. So when I ran the script, it was 15 minutes. We both got 15 minutes. But if I was to run it again right now, I'm not sure who was online. I don't have access to it anymore. But let's say I would get another tally and then this person wouldn't. So I'd be at 30 minutes and they'd be at 15. This is not an exact, or it's a very, like, an approximate estimate. So something that you can do is right over here, my interval time. I have it marked down. It's 15 minutes. You can change this to 5, 10, 30 minutes, an hour, whatever you would like. Just the lower the number, the more accurate. So if I had it running every second, I can get a much more accurate depiction of how long someone is logged in. So why use this? Well, it's really good to see how long a user is logged in or logged out. This summer we were kind of talking about and exploring as classes were starting to go online, like, oh, what can we do with this? We can see who logged in when. Like, oh, I tried to log in, but it wasn't letting me log in. Well, if I look on my my spreadsheet part here, and it says they logged in at this time, they logged in 20, or logged out 20 minutes later, we can kind of say like, well, it looks like you logged in and logged out. What's going on here? So you can use it to track certain things like that. And whenever usage is, oh, this person worked 100 hours on this project. They came to office hours, they really put their time in, but something is just not working for them. You can see it with this kind of stuff. So that was it. It was more of like a fun project. It was a quick four-week project, and I had a wonderful time. And I'd like to thank you all for allowing me to participate in summer research. I hope everyone has a great day.